New from OTC, Automated System Test Software. Automated System Test is the latest advancement in diagnostic software. It allows you to perform comprehensive, full vehicle diagnostics with the touch of a single button. And it does this in a fraction of the time of current methods. What you are about to see is a head-to-head comparison with the OTC Genisys Automated System Test software and a manual mode test or traditional method. Our demonstration was performed on a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado, which has 7 subsystems. Your results may vary depending on the vehicle being tested and may take longer if more subsystems need to be checked. The reason AST works on all systems and subsystems is the OBD2 smart cable, which can switch from one subsystem to another. As with any diagnostic, the first thing you need to do is enter the vehicle ID information. We would like to mention that the boot-up time on the Genisys has been reduced to 8 seconds. This is a substantially shorter time than the competition scan tool, which may take more than 50 seconds to boot. At this point, let's start the test. One button is all you need to press to start the diagnostic test. From this point, the Genisys with AST software does the rest. The testing is fully automated and frees the technician up to perform other vehicle checks or shop tasks. The Automated System Test software is performing a full vehicle diagnostic. Many times when you are looking for a trouble or error code, you are just looking for that one specific thing. And when you find it, you fix it, only to realize that there may be other problems that need to be fixed. The Automated System Test will catch those other problems because it is doing a full vehicle diagnostic. This helps any technician do a better job, no matter what their experience level. You will notice the Automated System Test screens are going through several of the vehicle subsystems here very quickly, checking them thoroughly for any fault codes. And it's finished! In a little more than a minute, the Automated System Test has performed a full diagnostic scan on the 7 subsystems of this vehicle, pointing you in the direction of the problem. Meanwhile, the technician running the manual mode test has had to make dozens of keystrokes to get to this point, and he's not even a third of the way through the diagnostic test. Even an experienced technician has to take the time to read and interpret the screens in order to get into the right subsystems and check the information. This just takes time. But the Automated System Test does it all for you, very quickly and thoroughly. Here is a list of everything that was checked on this vehicle with the Automated System Test software. Read the trouble codes. Review freeze frame data. See component tests that failed. Review oxygen sensor test. Review readiness monitors. Look at the data stream and review related data items. Run the test. Review the data for DTC. And here's a list of the subsystems that were checked on this vehicle. Global OBD2 system, ABS system, airbag system, body control system, instrument panel cluster system, electronic variable orifice system, and RTD EVO system. If your vehicle has more subsystems, the Automated System Test would have checked those systems too. At this point, the technician who has been provided the information to diagnose the vehicle's problem by the Automated System Test can proceed with fixing the problem. The technician doing the manual mode test is still running through individual tests and still pressing buttons. In the interest of time, we are now going to speed up the recording of the manual mode testing. Up to this point, the technician doing the manual mode test has had to make 135 keystroke entries, and he is still only about 2/3 of the way through the entire diagnostic test. At 6 minutes 6 seconds, the technician doing the manual mode test has finished. He now has to interpret the data and fix the problem. Our automated system test software performed a full vehicle comprehensive diagnostic in 1 minute 6 seconds. This is an effective time savings of 82%. The automated system test performed a more thorough and comprehensive entire vehicle scan in less than 1/6 of the time of the manual mode test method. Another great feature of the automated system test is its ability to print out a very detailed report. Simply plug the Genisys into a printer via the USB port and print out this report. You can show this report to your customer, and they can see exactly what was checked on their vehicle. If there are any other problems, the automated system test will find them, and you can let your customer know that they have other issues that need maintenance. This is a great opportunity to sell more of your services and be seen by your customer as a value-added service provider. The OTC Genisys with automated system test software. Simply the fastest, most comprehensive diagnostic tool on the market today. See your local distributor for a demo today.